today's inspiration for the nail art. The theme, I went light, ethereal, maybe I was thinking wedding, and these are the colors. Oh my gosh, these colors are fire. And I just did a white base. So right now I'm gonna go in with seaweed. Kind of a pearlescent, you know, you can see those flashes of different colors. While we have to wait for that base to dry, let's go in with another color, which is sandbar. This beautiful coral color. You can see the color comparison. I'm kind of liking the hearts. Let's go ahead with that. So for this, I'm gonna go in with our BAM white. I'm just gonna go with the curvature of the nail. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this design, taking ballet flats. Beautiful pickup, very clean, and just step it in the center of the nail. So let's see, this was the design that we used, seaweed. And the last design is gonna take us a little bit. And also you'll notice today does not have any reverse stamping. So I have here any kind of lavender color. So they're nice even coverage, going in with fish scale, which is the third color in the Sunray collection. So this, I feel like with the purple, it just adds like this opalescent color. You can't really see a lot of the green, but you can definitely see the flashes of the duochrome. And I am just going to use actually one daisy pattern just because I like the way that the petals are flared out. So now going in with the yellow and dot the center of the flowers, just like that. So what'd you guys think? Is this kind of what you had in mind, or did I hit the mark or did I not hit the mark? Let me know in the comments.